Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I thought we'd check out their books. Let's see what they have. Alright, so this one here says The Plan, eliminating the surprising healthy foods that are making you fat and lose weight fast. Okay, then this one here says Wanderlust Quilts. Oh yes, last time I was here, that's what they had some really nice books on that. So here's a slow cooker book, recipes. And then they have this one here. This is gingerbread and how to color, and this is a nice gift, a nice book for a gift too. Okay, and then they have this one, Stacey London, The Truth About Style. So that's nice. Let me place that over here. And they have two of these books. So then back here, guys, you have Julian Michaels, Yeah Baby, and then Weekend Wonder Detox. Then you have Sugar Impact Diet. Let me see, that sounds interesting. I think this one's new. It is new. I don't think I've seen this before. So it was 35% off wherever this was being sold, $16.76 from $26.76, and now it's $1. So drop hidden sugars and lose up to 10 pounds. 6 weeks to sexy abs. The Muse is in. On Living. This one says The Vengeance of Mothers. This one says The Grain Brain. That's interesting. The Grain Brain Whole Life Plan. And this one says 6 weeks to sexy abs. Okay, let's see what else they have. Coincidence Makers. Another Side of Bob Dylan. Okay, The Conspiracy of Tall Men. That's funny. Okay, How to Be Famous. Let me tell you about Jasper. Let me see, what is this over here? The Ledge. Wow, that. Inspirational story of friendship and survival. Wow, okay, that's good. And then this one is The American Nets, guys. This is chocolate modeling. I'm telling you, these books make such great gifts for people who like cooking. Okay, so I think this is a new, well, this is a chef library. This one seems to always be here. And this is Purity, a novel. Guys, that's interesting. So let me move this over. But that chef library book seems really nice. How to Be Famous and Love Warrior. This one here says The High Places, The Love Warrior, Dark at Crossing, The Age of the Olympus, The Rift. Let's see, guys, Slow Cooker, The Fire Line. Let's see, what is that one? It's Not About Being Perfect. All right, let's see what this says. Okay, this one says The Class. And this one is The Confusion of Languages. What is that one? The Age of Ambition, Chasing Fortune, Truth and Faith, New China. Okay. Rachel Roy, Design, Creating Success Through Personal Style, Your Life. Okay, let's see. Here's Salads, and here's the gingerbread book. And here is Kathy Griffin. I think I might have shown you that book before. This one is Savage Country. These are novels, so that's old school over there. Let's see, Contrary Motion. Anyone Who's Anyone. Let's see. 2 Ton. What is that? One Fight, One Night. That's new. I don't think I've seen that before. Let me move these over here. What is this one? Aboard a Novel. And this one is Wipeout of the Wireless Weenies. That's so funny. Buffering. What is that? I think that's new. A Whole Life. I think that one's new too. And this one, no, The Secret of Golf. I don't think I've read that one to you. Okay, so let's see. Ford Nation. And then these are the reading books for the kids, and they come in levels. The Vengeance of Mothers. I just read that too. Let me see. And okay, so let's see what's up here, because these books are all a mess, guys. A Conversation in Blood. I do it with the lights on. I always run into this book every time I come here. Okay, let me see. I don't think I can get in here. Let me see what I can see. This one is called Dream Forever. That one is called Dream Forever. I'll try to move them around as I read these. Okay, this one is Housebroken. And then that's the Holy Bible. This one also Housebroken. This one on Living Carrie Egan. Did I say that right? I don't even know if I said that right. Okay, A Skinny Grill cookbook. Here's the Holy Bible, The Guardians. This is Cooking for Kids. This is probably come in handy if you have kids. And then the gluten-free cooking. That's a big thing now. Wild Nights. Okay, so that's that book. Then over here, I think I showed you these. This is The Guardians. So In Briar's Wood, Stranger Than Fan Fiction. And what is this here? Allison Pearson, How Hard Can It Be? And then this is a chocolate book. This is the Bible book. Let me see. Does this look new? Can I Go Now? Okay. The Skinny Grill. Okay, so it doesn't look like there's anything new here except for, let me see, the Clean 20. Is that new? That might be. I don't remember it. Tommy. Okay, The Latin Explosion, A New America. That one is new. A Good Deed. Okay, and then you got these books over here. And so here's Self-Portrait Photography. Okay. The Fifth Element. All right. I don't want to knock anything else down. So I think I showed you these. The Vengeance of Mothers, and this is Clueless in the Clueless in the Kitchen. You know what? That's a good book. Okay, then we have The Ship, Music of the Ghosts. Let's see, The Ledge, and this one is Design Your Life. Yeah, I showed you that one. And you have this one, Sugar Impact Diet. And then along the top you have the Bible. So guys, thank you for scrolling with me through their book section in the Dollar Tree, and I'll see you in the next video.